Hi everyone, this is Tiana. Today I will demonstrate how to use DAP to run the stepwise regression. First, click data from the datasheet and then press Data Analysis Plus. Select stepwise regression, press OK, continue, OK. Then there's a problem. It says variable name problem. There are two reasons for that. First, you got too many data in the datasheet, which the Excel could not figure out which are the data that you're going to test. So copy the data and open a new Excel sheet. And then press the data. Run DAP again. Remember to select the data. And then press stepwise regression. Continue. Okay. Then there's a problem with the variable name. Replace the variable with other name. I would recommend to use the capital letter. X2 data X3 X5. And then select a data, run DAP again, stepwise regression, continue, okay. Then it shows like that, select Y1 for response variable, and the left those three, then continue, okay, worksheet, and it comes out. Thanks for watching and have a good weekend.